Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students of grade 2. How are you today? I hope you are today all fine. Well class, today we are going to discuss on chapter 13 about healthy environment. But before this we continue for this lesson, please prepare for your book, pen and others. And here the lesson for you. Please pay attention carefully and check it out. And here we go. Chapter 13, Healthy Environment. On this chapter we are going to learn about imperative sentence and building healthy environment. Di bab 13 kita akan membahas tentang lingkungan yang sehat. Di bab ini juga kita akan membahas tentang kalimat imperatif dan building healthy environment, membangun lingkungan yang sehat. Well students, let's discuss on chapter 13 together. Please pay attention carefully. And here the lesson for you. Let's check it out and let's go. Well class, before we continue for this chapter, let's discuss on glossary the first on page 135. Kita akan membahas tentang glossary terlebih dahulu. Build, membangun. Clean, membersihkan atau bersih. Dustbin, tempat sampah. Environment, lingkungan hidup. Healthy, sehat. Keep, menjaga. Plants, tanaman. Put, menempatkan. Sweep, menyapu. Tidy, merapikan. Wash, cuci atau mencuci. Yard, halaman. Well student, please you learn these vocabularies again by yourself. Then we continue for the first listening, and here it is. A, listening. Let's listen and repeat. A, mendengarkan. Ayo dengarkan dan ulangi. Keep the air clean. Clean the board. Water the plants. Sweep the floor. Wash your hands. Put the trash into the dustbin. Well class, anyone knows in Indonesia? Okay, I'll tell you. Keep the air clean. Jagalah kebersihan udara. Clean the board. Bersihkan papan tulis. Water the plants. Sirami tanaman atau menyiram tanaman. Sweep the floor. Menyapu lantai. Wash your hands. Cucilah tanganmu. Put the trash into the dustbin. Buanglah sampah ke tempat sampahnya. Well class, please you read this one and learn it by yourself. And we continue for the exercise, and here it is. Well class, now the exercise. Let's discuss it together. Okay, anyone knows what is he doing? Yes, that's right. Sweep the yard. Okay, this is not for. Sweep the yard. Sapulah halaman atau menyapu halaman. And this one, What's that? Yes, keep the air clean. Ini jagalah kebersihan udara. Karena dengan begini akan membuat polusi udara. Atau keep the wall clean. Is okay. Ya, jagalah kebersihan tembok. Then this one, ya, tidy the bed. Tidy the bed. Merapikan tempat tidur. And this one, yes, put the trash into the dustbin. Atau don't put the trash everywhere. Jangan buang sampah sembarangan. And this one, put the trash into the dustbin. Atau put the trash together. Ya, bersihkan sampah bersama-sama. Well, then after this we are going to continue on speaking. And this one speaking for you. Be speaking. Let's practice this conversation. Let's practice the conversation. Yuk kita berlatih percakapan tersebut. Udin and Lani. Hi Lani. Hi Lani. Hi Udin. Hi Udin. Let's take a seat. Yuk kita duduk. Thanks Lani. Terima kasih Lani. What are you doing? What are you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? I am sweeping the floor. Saya sedang menyapu lantai. It's very dirty. Ini sangat kotor. You are very diligent. Kamu sangat rajin. Let me help you clean the window. Biarkan aku membantumu membersihkan jendela. Atau izinkan aku untuk membantumu membersihkan jendela. Thank you, Udin. Terima kasih, Udin. You are so kind. Kamu baik banget. You are welcome. Sama-sama. Look, Lani. Look, Lani. Lihat, Lani. The flowers are blooming. Bunga-bunga tersebut mekar. Really? Masa? These are beautiful. Wah, itu cantik-cantik. You always water the flowers every morning and evening. You always water the flowers every morning and evening. Kamu selalu menyiram bunga-bunga tersebut di setiap pagi dan sore hari. Yes, yeah, my sister helps me to water the flowers. Saudara perempuanku membantuku untuk menyiram tanaman-tanaman tersebut, bunga-bunga tersebut. Well, after this, you have to discuss about the answer from the speaking. And here it is. Dan ini dia yang kalian harus kita diskusikan. Answer the questions based on the dialogue. Jawablah pertanyaan tersebut berdasarkan percakapan tersebut. Number 1. Why does Lani sweep the floor? Why does Lani sweep the floor? Kenapa Lani menyapu lantai? Oke, anyone knows? Ada yang tahu jawabannya? Yes. Jawabannya adalah because the floor is very dirty. Karena lantainya sangat kotor. Number 2. What does Udin do to help Lani? What does Udin do to help Lani? Apa yang dilakukan Udin untuk membantu Lani? Oke, anyone knows? Yes. Jawabannya adalah Udin helps Lani to clean the window. Ya, Udin helps Lani to clean the window. Number 3. Why is the flower blooming and beautiful? Why is the flower blooming and beautiful? Kenapa bunga-bunga itu mekar dan cantik? Anyone knows? Yeah, because because Lani keeps the flower, karena dia selalu menjaganya, by watering every morning and evening, dengan menyiramnya di pagi dan sore hari. When Lani watering the flower? When is Lani watering the flowers? Kapan Lani menyiram bunga-bunga tersebut? Okay, the answer, yes, every morning and evening, setiap pagi dan sore. Who helps Lani to water the flowers? Who helps Lani to water the flowers? Siapa yang membantu Lani untuk menyiram bunga? Yes, the answer jawaban adalah Lani's sister, saudara perempuan Lani. Well, this one you can discuss it and you can read again and practice this conversation. Bisa berlatih kembali percakapan this one. Then after this we are going to continue for the reading, and here the reading for you. See reading, let's read. Working together, kerja bersama. Every Sunday, setiap hari Minggu, people in my hometown work together to clean our environment. People, orang-orang di desaku, work together, bekerja sama untuk membersihkan lingkungan kita. It is called gotong royong. Ia disebut dengan gotong royong. Betawi's people have this tradition since many times ago. Ya, orang-orang Betawi punya tradisi ini sejak beberapa tahun yang lalu. They are helping each other to clean their yard. Mereka saling menolong satu sama lain untuk membersihkan halaman mereka. Collect the trash, mengumpulkan sampah. Plant trees, menanam pohon-pohon. Clean the river and so on, membersihkan sungai dan lain-lain. It is important to keep our environment clean. It is important, ini penting, to keep our environment clean, untuk menjaga kebersihan lingkungan hidup. Okay, please, this reading you can read and practice by yourself, and then we are going to discuss about these two questions. Okay, make a group of 4 and discuss the following questions. Buatlah 4 kelompok dan diskusikan dari pertanyaan-pertanyaan berikut ini. Number 1, what is gotong royong? Apa sih gotong royong? Okay, we have discussed it. And then what do Betawi people do to keep their environment clean? Apa yang dilakukan orang-orang Betawi untuk menjaga lingkungan mereka bersih? Well, you can do it by yourself. Okay, but we have discussed it. Ya, tadi kita sudah bahas. Then we are going to continue for the next lesson, and here it is. Well, class, for your duties today, untuk tugas anak-anak hari ini, please you write this one and translate to Indonesian. Tulis soal yang berikut ini dan terjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. This is the number 1 duties, tugas nomor 1. Then this one for your second duties, dan berikutnya untuk tugas yang kedua. And for your second duties, untuk tugas kedua di writing, please this one you write or complete this missing letter. You complete this missing letter. Ditulis soalnya dan jawabannya di buku kalian. Well, today so you have 2 duties. Jadi hari ini anak-anak punya 2 tugas di halaman 133 dan 132. Oke, 132 dan 133. Well, class, see you next time. Keep always stay healthy. And Allah always bless us. See you and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.